Hi everyone, I'm Firefighter Lisa. October is Fire Prevention Month, and all across the country, firefighters are teaming up to make sure that their communities are safe. This year, it's all about learning the sounds of fire safety. It's important to know the difference between the smoke and the carbon monoxide alarms. When you hear a beeping or a chirping sound, that means it's time to take action. Let's go find out what is that sound. We have a lot of different devices in our homes. Do you know the difference in sounds between those devices? A smoke alarm makes a continuous beeping sound. It sounds something like this. When you hear that alarm, it means get outside and stay outside because there's smoke, and that means there could be fire. Now, there's also another sound you may have heard the smoke alarm make, and it probably sounded something like this. If you ever hear the smoke alarm make a chirping sound, that means that the battery needs to be replaced. If you replace the battery and it still continues to chirp, it's time to change the smoke alarm completely and get a new one. Smoke alarms should be replaced after 10 years. But the smoke alarm isn't the only alerting device in most homes. Anyone who has fuel-burning appliances or an attached garage should have a carbon monoxide alarm. Carbon monoxide is a tasteless, colorless, odorless gas that can be in the home. Having a carbon monoxide alarm will alert you if it exists in your house. A carbon monoxide alarm sounds something like this. Again, when you hear that sound, get outside and stay outside. Don't forget to call 911. Now, go and talk with everyone in your family and make sure they learn the sounds of fire safety. That way, everyone in the family can be safe. Don't forget to reach out to your local fire station during Fire Prevention Month to see what in-person activities they may be having. If you're not quite ready to go in person yet, go ahead and find some of our virtual items online. Thanks for joining us.